Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So I want to bring you another quick video review on one of the coin that is very popular right now. A lot of people have been asking me about it. It have been requested a lot. So just want to bring you a quick technical update or review on this coin. Give you my perspective on how I'm looking at this coin and what are some of the support and resistance level for this coin, and what is my opinion right now for Ontology. Okay, so the ticker is ONT, and this is one of the coin that is like, again, as I said, it's been mentioned pretty heavily in last month or so. So just want to bring you a quick video review on the technicals for this coin. So before we get it started, as usual, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in the crypto market, then please do give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot. Alright, so Ontology right now is trading. I'm looking at the daily chart, by the way, and this data is coming from Binance. The pair I'm looking at is against BTC, and right now it's trading around $10. If you do the the conversion. So right now $10. It made all the way all-time high today around that the $12 mark. But I really think this coin have been stretched out too much too fast. Okay, so in my opinion, this is purely from the technicals. I'm not talking about fundamentals. I mean, this coin is really new. To talk about to get that kind of comfort level on this coin, you have to kind of wait until how it really pans out in the next few months, because you can't really judge a coin based on few months of trading or the history of the coin, because it's just too new. It's just, you have to wait it out. Other than that, it will be really completely speculative. Okay, so right now it's trading around $10. It recently when it started in the previous video I mentioned about this cup with the handle formation. You will see this kind of formation in a lot of the altcoins. Okay, I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit. So this kind of formation I have seen plenty of times in a lot of the altcoins, where you see this nice U, that's the cup, and that handle. If I go to the smaller time frame, you will see that handle, and once it breaks out, it becomes really momentum really picks up toward the north side, and especially when the volume comes in. All right, that's exactly happened back in March, later March, and then in April. So right now, again, the coin, in my opinion, is very stretched out. I would wait. I know a lot of people don't like to hear those things. I get a lot of negative feedback. I got it when I created the last video on EOS. When if you remember, if you go back to the video library, I was saying right around here, right around that 22 level, that hey, EOS is overbought and we need to wait it out. We need to let it come down and consolidate. And I got a lot of negative comment. I'm okay with that. I don't mind, but I'm not going to tell you something that I don't believe in, or tell you something that is against my fundamental trading or techniques. All right, so same thing, in EOS, it was stressed out. I mentioned that it's coming to that level where we want to probably take profit rather than starting a new position or add on to the position, and since then we have retraced about 15-20%. Right now it's coming to that support level. So as long as that support level around that 15-16 cents holds up in EOS, I will be okay with that. That will be my support level that I'm looking at. So that's just a kind of quick side note on EOS, all right, because I did get a lot of comment on, hey, what is the entry point for EOS? So as long as it holds that $15.90 and $16 support level in EOS, I will be happy with it. Right now it's trading at 1765. I wouldn't chase this coin. So please be very mindful. Okay, so coming back to Ontology. Okay, so again, this coin is stretched out. I would not touch this coin right now. I would let it come to me rather than going after and chasing the coin. Maybe perhaps at the maybe at maybe $7 level. I don't know. Maybe around like $8. It's just like there are just so many coins out there that you can there are so many good coins out there that you can trade that I just don't feel like I should be chasing this coin. Because think about it, if you get in at the $10 level, right? I mean, it might push up to like $12 with a lot of high volume, maybe 14 level. But I mean, it will be overstretched. Even at that level, it will be quite overstretched. So why would the risk to reward? That's the better terminology. Risk to reward right now with Ontology doesn't make sense. Alright, so at least not to me. So I would not add or start a new position. I could be completely wrong. Alright, I have been completely wrong plenty of time. I have no shame of admitting that. So this kind of discipline have served me really well over the years. So I continue to do so, and the discipline that you adopt in this market, whether it's stock market, forex market, commodity, whatever market you're trading, this kind of discipline, you have to adapt it. Otherwise, if you don't adapt these disciplines, then you'll blow out of your account sooner or later. Trust me, I have seen plenty of scenario in almost 20 years of my trading. People have blown out like a very good accounts, close to $1 million accounts have completely blown out because they didn't have discipline to trade and invest in the market. Always remember, you will have plenty of opportunity to make money in this kind of market as long you're disciplined. All right, so make sure you're disciplined enough to to look at the market, not to chase after something, because let the coin and the price action come to you rather than you going after it. Okay, so just to recap, in my opinion, Ontology is a little bit overstretched. It needs to come down to a decent trading level. Then we need to reanalyze the coin. Once it retraces, then you really need to see how is the strength in the coin. You don't want to just come and wait on it, just let it retrace to a decent level, perhaps around $7-8, and then reanalyze the coin and see if there is still interest in the coin for it to move higher, or will it be just sitting there. So those kind of scenarios you have to run by and just be a little more disciplined with the coin. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, post it in the comment, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon.